Crap. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. Looks like they've put a new bridge up. That's pretty nice. Giant City Nature Trail in the spring. Cool little natural shelter area. It's getting a little late, so it's providing me with some pretty cool dark effects, I think. Like a little cave. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. Found me an alternative trail. I bet that's slick. So, it's a little different from my last video on this particular trail because we're on top of the bluffs instead of below them. And that's cool. Something different. Oh yeah, I'm getting all the spider webs now. Crap. Oh, man. But I'm trying to get back down. Okay, that'll work. To the main trail. Because it's just so overgrown over here. Oh! All the spider webs. Gotta look out for snakies. Whoop. Pretty cool. Nice little bluffage on top of the bluffs. Alrighty, back on the main trail. I think during the fall is when I'd come back and do them little side trails. Be a little bit more easier. Probably be able to see more. But they were getting kind of dangerous and it's really wet. I just don't really want to fall. There's plenty to see on this trail anyway. plenty of bluffage. Spelunking, anyone? But this is what we call Fat Man Squeeze. And the idea is to squeeze up through there and basically climb it to the top of the bluff. I'm not about to try it. What's also cool about this particular spot of the trail is all the graffiti. So we got 1910, that's when that was signed. 1887. Let's see what else. 1882. 1878. CCC, that's Civilian Conservation Corp. Got 1987. 1933. Got some history in this trail. So can you imagine what it looked like in the 1800s when it was actually a first growth forest? At least it should have been then. It could have been timbering and all that in progress. Got a cool balancing rock. And if you climb up this way, you can get to the top portion of where you squeeze out of the Fat Man Squeeze. Want to go rattlesnake noodling? Probably built by CCC. Pretty nice down here. A little bit cooler. It's not bad. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And feel free to leave a comment. Tell me what you thought. Share this video with others, especially on social media. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that today. It's free, and it helps support me and motivates me to keep making these videos. And if you know of anyone else who might want to subscribe, invite them over. And until next time, I will see you on the trail.